Regulatory demands and modern living make it increasingly difficult to deliver effective acoustic performance in party floors. Traditional means of achieving this tend to be time-consuming, use multiple components, and are highly dependent on the quality of workmanship. ScreedfloDB revolutionizes and simplifies delivery and installation, virtually eliminating waste on-site. This, combined with acoustic performance, provides a modern solution for a modern market. Screedflow Limited, in conjunction with James Jones, Boys and Mytech, the three main joist suppliers in the UK, developed a simple and effective way of achieving the building regulation requirements whilst meeting modern health and safety and environmental expectations. This gives you the confidence that you can choose the system that you need with a joist manufacturer of your choice, allowing you flexibility in your floor design and build. The ScreedfloDB system should be installed once the building is weathertight, and ideally any surfaces that penetrate the floor zone, such as soil and vent pipes, should also be in place, so that they can be acoustically separated from the floor structure. This early installation has the advantage that there is no plasterboard or other materials within the building that could be damaged during the installation process. The system consists of high-quality compression-resistant foam, which is laid onto the usual chipboard or OSB structural deck, on top of which is placed a layer of FSC-certified moisture-resistant fiberboard. These layers are isolated from the wall structure by a resilient edge strip. A 500-gauge polythene slip membrane is then put on top of this, onto which is poured 40 mm of Screedflow anhydrite screed. This floor can be used in timber frame, masonry build, steel frame, or even renovation projects. It can be used on all types of residential floors, ranging from self-build houses, large apartment schemes, through to hotels and extra care facilities. Uniquely, ScreedfloDB is not restricted by site distance from a static batching plant. The use of our own mobile batching plants ensures availability throughout the UK. The system is unique in having every component CE marked in its own right. Every component being supplied by a single company, and with the whole system having received a TRADA Q mark. Due to site logistics, while any size of scheme can be catered for, it would typically be broken down into phases that are suitable for the site build program. A typical size of phase would be somewhere in the region of 500 square meters at a time, which can be installed in approximately 3 to 4 days, which is significantly faster than alternative methods. Additionally, once the Screedflow is poured, it can usually be walked on after just 48 hours, depending on ambient conditions. The ScreedfloDB floor is substantially shallower than conventional or current E to FT1 floors, with the acoustic layer being only 74 mm deep in total. When used with a 220 mm deep joist, this can often result in a course of brickwork being removed on every floor, providing not only significant cost savings, but also assisting with planning height restrictions. Because the ScreedfloDB floor feels like a solid concrete floor, not only is the acoustic performance of the floor substantially improved, but there is minimal movement or vibration in the floor when people walk across it. The use of screed in upper floors of timber structures allows underfloor heating to be used efficiently and cost-effectively. Screedflow is ideal for use with these systems, as the free-flowing nature of the screed means that it fully encapsulates the cables or water pipes. It can be used with any type of underfloor heating system, though a depth of at least 25 mm of screed must be maintained above the cable or pipes. With Screedflow, there is minimal waste, as it is batched and poured to the customer's requirements, and the little waste which is left is inert and can be disposed of in a general waste skip. In fact, Screedflow is an extremely environmentally friendly product, as the binder used consists of recycled waste product, and as Screedflow is batched on-site, it uses 30% less water than alternative screeds. So if you are specifying a residential development, designing, building or renovating a property, consider the benefits of ScreedfloDB.